Good morning, YouTubers. Here is how you use a butcher steel to touch up the edge on a kitchen knife. Now, I use my fingers as an angle guide because this is about the angle that the bevel of the knife is set at, the angle that it's sharpened at. Okay, so looky here. Let's see, can you see it good? Just go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And go 1 and 2. See how I'm doing here? I'm catching the spine of the knife under my thumb. See, that sets the angle. And now I'm catching it on my finger like this. And that sets the angle. So pretty simple, huh? Now if you do this before every use session, before every time you use your knife for a little while, or every day that you use it, you can go a long time without ever having to visit a stone with it. You can refresh this edge because what happens is in use, the very edge, the apex of the edge gets bent over, folded over, dinged up, misaligned, and the steel's still there. It just needs to be straightened, and this is what is happening here. This steel is straightening that edge through a process called plastic deformation. Now, don't ever let anybody tell you this is called a honing rod or a honing steel. This is a steel. There's no abrasive. Honing is the restoration or creation of an edge using controlled uh, uh, angle and pressure on an abrasive medium. This is not an abrasive medium. This is the same as stropping. No, this is not a leather strop. There are other kind of strops besides a leather strop. This is a butcher's steel, and it does not hone, it strops, because what it's doing is it's aligning the edge. It's not removing any steel. It is just aligning the edge. So that's what a butcher steel is, and that's what a butcher steel does. Get one. Your knives will thank you.